All right, yeah, I wanted to share a little bit about the products I've been using on my 996 here. It's good to know this car has been coated, the ceramic type of coating from a company called Jizox, Japanese company. Actually, since it was new, 1999, about 7 times. And yeah, it's really easy to maintain, just water, dry it off. And I started to use this graphene CS3. You can see the video or picture of the last time I applied that to the car. I was really impressed with how that turned out. And then I tried some other Adams Polishes products. I have leather sport seats, and I really want them to last a good long time. So I was looking for some leather care product and went with this cleaner and the leather conditioner stuff here. And you know, it was the first application, get that on there. So far so good. I mean, I think after using it, keeping the car for a while, you know, will they last longer? Will they maintain? Will they not crack or crack any more than they have already? We'll take a look at inside the car. I also got this interior cleaner, total interior cleaner. This has a pretty strong watermelon smell. I mean, it smells good. I just didn't want to ruin that smell of the interior of the 911 of my 1999, because that was one of the captivating things, actually. First time getting in this car, how it smelled like my dad's 1972 911. That's really special to me. But actually I use this total interior cleaner in my daily driver, and the smell, while it's real pleasant when you're using it, it dissipates relatively quickly. So next day it's gone. So I started to use it in the 911 as well. The quality of the final finish is really nice. Is what I like. No shine, no glossiness, no oily, just clean, pristine finish, protected as well. So anyways, just wanted to shout that out. No, I'm not sponsored, not affiliated with Adams. I'd like to be, but yeah, it's good products. All right, so I just applied the Adams polish, did the interior clean for leather, and then the leather conditioner on these sport bucket seats. They've been maintained pretty well. I think mainly they're using a kind of sealant, so the seats were a little bit dry. The leather was a little bit dry, so you know, there was some cracking and things, but I put two applications of the leather conditioner after cleaning them and letting it sit for a little while. I put 2 thick coatings just and letting it soak in, and it's already feeling quite a bit softer. I think, you know, leather, if it gets dry, then it cracks like this. Sorry. So getting these nicely moisturized, and hopefully they last for a long time. I plan on, you know, using this car, but I'm kind of falling in love with the original state of this car, actually, the more and more I drive it. So yeah, I really enjoyed and liked the quality of the graphene C3S that I applied to the outside of this a while back. So I went with this. interior stuff here. Very happy with it. I was a little bit concerned about the maybe the smell, because I've got another interior cleaner from Adams. It's kind of blue, all-purpose interior cleaner, and it smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. So I didn't use it on this car at first because the smell of the interior is one of the things I love about this car, and it reminds me of my childhood and my dad's 1972 911. Somehow Porsche has kept the interior smell up until this point, at least 1999. But I used it on my daily driver Toyota Corolla Touring, and when you're applying it, yeah, it definitely has a strong smell, but actually within about a day or less, the smell is gone and you're just left with a really pristine, clean surface. And it's got a cross polymer linked kind of protection layer. It's not slippery or anything. It's just real clean. I actually really like it. So I started using it on some of the dash and interior areas of the car. And so I'm real happy with it. But yeah, just wanted to update the leather interior care. The rear seats are a lot rougher leather. I cleaned them and put the conditioner on as well. So yeah, let's see. But so far so good.